How to fix sudden voice cuts from your microphone in the Discord. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the easy fixes on how you can fix prompt cuts that you are facing with your microphone voice in Discord. So in order to resolve this, all you'll need to do is simply go to the user settings, and within the user settings, you will need to find the audio settings. So let us find the audio setting by going to the app settings, and inside the app setting, you can see voice and video. So from here we have some of the following interface. So this is a diagnostic interface. So from here you can test your mic by clicking onto this let's check. And apart from that, within the input profile, you can see that it is currently set to custom. So make sure if it is selected to voice isolation or studio, you choose it to custom. And within the custom, you can see this particular tab that is automatically adjust input sensitivity. Make sure that you disable this as it can sometimes leads to unwanted cuts or failure to record your own voice. And apart from that, noise suppression, instead of crisp, try to keep it none or maybe standard. So basically check for standard first, or if it's not fixed, try to keep it none, and hopefully it will get fixed. Now these are some of the options that you can do. Apart from that, if you also go to the show voice setting, you can also see like automatic gain control, advanced voice activity, bypass system audio processing, no audio detect warning. So basically, you can also tackle with these three options as well and see if disabling any of them fixes your issue, and hopefully any of this feature will work and your audio will be fixed. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.